Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial on the channel. And seems like the stuff on the table is because we're packing. But today we're going to be learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is the beginner's method, so don't expect to beat any world records anytime soon. So we'll just mix up the cube. Remember, I'm not a master at the cube either. So yeah. Don't expect me to teach you the best possible way to solve a cube. And also, while I'm mixing it up, if you guys see any videos where it's like they're solving a cube and then they just put it together like randomly, and not like the way I'm about to teach you, then it's in reverse. And cubes are solved in layers, so like I would have the yellow layer, all the colors, all these colors, and then so we'd have like yellow, red here, green here, So we solve it by layers, like I said already. So this looks fairly good. So I'm gonna pick a color that I'm gonna solve first. I choose yellow. A lot of people start with white. Whichever one you like best. You could use blue if you want. Who cares? But anyway, we need to make sure, actually, first we're going to make a plus, okay? So I'm going to do the green first. The yellow and green. These are edges. And something you also need to know is the middle pieces never move. So I have the yellow piece right here and I have the white piece here. No matter how many times I move the cube, the yellow is always going to be on the opposite side of the white, okay? There's no changing it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the green. So we need to find the yellow and green piece. That is right here. We can just put it anywhere. Up there. So just see how it's right here? It's right there. Sorry for the angle, guys. It's kind of hard to use the cube like this. Like the way I'm recording it. But anyway, we just want to put it on the top. So we're just gonna move it over like this, because if we try to move it like that, that's not on top. So we're just gonna move it to a place that it can go on top, and then we're gonna move it up. See? And we already have it connected. So next we want to make sure that they're in the right places. So see how this is green, green, yellow, yellow? We want to make red, 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 yellow, yellow, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, orange, orange, yellow, yellow. See? Like that. So how about I just choose the color on the opposite side? So we're going to do blue. Blue, yellow, blue is right there. So we need to put it on the opposite of the green. So it's going to go right here. So just find the best possible way for it to go in there. So that would be just to move it like this. And then slide it right up. And then if we want, we could just move it back into place so it's connected. Next we can do orange. This one's easy. It's on the bottom. Just gonna put it on its side and we're gonna turn it up. So now we just need one more piece. And this piece is right here, so we can do what we've already been doing. Put it up. Next we want to add the corners. Now you might be saying, oh, we already have the corner done. This corner is not matching, so this doesn't work. So we're gonna need the yellow, orange, and blue face to go right here, so that they'll all match up. So the yellow, orange, and blue face is right here. So this one's easy because we can just move it down, and then we can move this down, so it's like that, and then we'll just swap its place, and boom, it matches. If you don't understand, it's fine. And then we just want to move this piece back up too, remember. Next, we're going, this one's actually easy too. We need to put this piece right here. Just gonna move it down, and then put it in, and move it back up. Now we just have two left. This one is another easy one. Just move it away, so this doesn't turn it with it. Move it away, move this down, now put it in and put it back up. Last piece. Now, these ones are weirder because if I do it like this, then I have to go like that. So basically, if it's like this, we can move it So when you turn this, it will move up. So now it's back here, and then we can turn it around, turn it back up, move it where it's gonna turn, and then it will turn, and then we could just slide it in. Basically, you just want to think of the best possible way to get it in there, okay? Next, here's a little thing where we're gonna solve the edges, so like right here, so we can get the first 2 layers done. There's a few problems that can happen, so I'm gonna show you those, and I'm gonna pretend that they're there, okay? But first of all, I'm just gonna show you the way it should be done. So we can't use any of the whites, okay? So this is blue, white. We don't want that. But this is green, red. We want to put it right there. So we're just gonna connect it. Then we're gonna move it away from the other color. So green's connected. Then since the bottom is red, it's gonna move it away from red. Then we're gonna move the side that both of them are on down. We're gonna move this away again. So we're gonna move the bottom right. Move this back up. So we should have this now, and then we're gonna move this back. So we have this, and then we're gonna turn this down and insert it. Boom, now we have the red and green right there. Now this is just algorithms, okay? So this is just how you solve it. Now say we have orange and green. Well, it's already there, but it's in the wrong place. So how are we gonna get it in there? It's actually easy. All you have to do is swap it with a white piece, so you can pretend to move it down so you can just keep with the algorithm. Like move it away, move this down, move it away, put it back up, put this back, and insert it. Boom, now we'll have the white and red there, and then we'll have the orange and green, and then we'll just insert it. If you don't understand, that's fine. My tutorials aren't the most advanced, so. So we already have the orange connected, so we just need to move it away from the blue. Gonna move it away. Move the blue side down. Move it away again. We're gonna move that back up. We're gonna move that back. And then we're just gonna put them together. Perfect. Next we can do blue and red. So we're gonna move it away from red. And yeah, so just keep doing that until we're all done. So put that in there. And boom, we have the first 2 layers done. Next, we want to make a plus here too. So since there's nothing here, we could just start like this. So we're gonna pick any side, make sure white's on top, move the front clockwise, move the right like this up, gonna move the top clockwise over left, then you can move the right side down again, then you can put that back and put that back. See how we got this L now? Next we wanna, most of the time we'll have like a say this is white and red, oh my god, white and red, but this one is like white and orange. They're on the opposite side. So we just need to put the one, so we need to make a backwards L and put the one on top of the backwards L to connect. Next, we want to do that same algorithm again. If you don't remember, just rewind. Then we should get this, the straight line. Then we can just do it again, one more time. And we have a plus, like that. But there's something wrong with this. These two need to be switched, so we're just gonna do a very easy algorithm. It's kind of like the same thing again and again. We're going to make the L, make sure these are in the right places. So, and then we're gonna move the so we're gonna put the opposite side of the top of the L. So like say it was a it is a plus, but this was the L. You want to go to the bottom of the plus. Then you want to make the left. Actually, okay, sorry, that's some bad explaining. So say this is the L. We want to get the top of the L, go to the bottom, and then go to that side, okay? This side that is pointing to. So we want to move the left side up. Then we want to turn the top right, move it back down, move it right again, the top right, move the left side up, then connect it. So that will mean you just need to turn it twice. And as you can see, we got the red, green, orange, and blue. This is our second last algorithm. Most of the time, we'll only have one of these done. So basically what done will mean is that they'll be in the right spot. It's just not in the right, like, turned. So we'll have the orange, green, and white, and the orange, green, and white, like this. It's in the right spot, it's just not turned right. So if it's not like that, none of them are like that, you can just do this, okay? And also, if it's already done like this, just then just put this on, just pick any side, put this on the right, top right, okay? But make sure the white's on top too. So, like, if I wanted to do this side, I just have to move it right here, okay? So, turn the left up, turn the top left, put the right side up, turn the top right, move the left side back down, and then turn the top left again. So it's like that now. See, everything's fixed. And it didn't work the first time, but that's perfectly normal. If it did, that's perfect. But that means we'll just put this onto the top right again, make sure the white's on top too, and then we're just gonna do it again. And as you can see, we're almost done. So we have this, just needs to be turned a little bit, and this needs to be turned a little bit. This is my favorite algorithm. It kind of confused me when I first learned about it, so just pay attention. We want to make sure this is the top right and white's on, like, top. Like, it's top right of this side and white's on the very top pointing up. So we want to move the right side down, bottom left, the bottom side left, put the top up, and put the bottom right. Just keep doing that until it connects. You remember, also finish the algorithm. So see how we got connected now. So we need to turn to the next one. So if this one needed to be solved right here, we could just turn to this, but it's all the way on the other side, so we just need to turn it twice. So it's like that. And yes, it does look like the cube's breaking, but don't worry, that's what happens. So now you just need to do that same algorithm, right side down, bottom left, right side up, bottom right. Just keep doing that until it connects, and you'll see that the cube is solved. Perfect. Now I know this wasn't the best tutorial out there, but leaving a like and subscribing will really help out the channel a lot, so I can maybe get the motivation to make more coding videos. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that, and see you guys in the next one.